Use the sleeves on my sweater. Let's have an adventure. Head in the clouds.
Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to Makeup Monday. It is back. We are on our regular schedule again. And so for this Makeup Monday series, I decided to use the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette because, as you guys know, it is permanent. So I'm sure a lot of you guys got your hands on it. And if you did, you can follow along with this Makeup Monday series. I'm going to show you guys how to get tons of creative, beautiful, stunning looks with this palette. Today's shade was Crown. And I just want to tell you guys, if you're unfamiliar with Makeup Monday, is where we take a single eyeshadow palette that you guys voted for. And you guys did vote for this one, but the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette won. So I decided to do this one next. But it is where we take a single eyeshadow color inside of the palette, and we use every shade until we've made each shade our lid base shade. So as you guys can see, like the most color here is Crown. And it is all over our lid. So if you guys want to see how I got this very stunning, I feel like this is kind of like a sunset purple eye. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then please continue watching. Alright, so before we get into our Makeup Monday palette, we're going to prep the lids with the Kat Von D Whiteout Locket Concealer. Feels so weird to be sitting down filming Makeup Monday because I didn't do Makeup Monday the entire month of December, so it just feels odd. But I am glad to be back filming. Glad to be back with the Makeup Monday series because I know a lot of you guys missed it. So many of you guys really love the Makeup Monday series, so glad to be back at it. So I'm not setting my lids down, I'm going right into Ladyship. And I'm going to start taking that directly into the crease. I want this look to be as pigmented as possible. And as you guys can see, I'm kind of like stamping that into my crease to start off with. And I'm going to start blending it. So to blend out this color and make it nice, we're going to go into Empress, which is this orange shade, and we're going to blend into Ladyship and on the outer corners to make sure everything is blended together beautifully. And we're going to go back in with Ladyship because, as you can see, we're losing some of it, and we're just going to deepen that back up, so no worries there. Lots of blending when you are using bright pigmented colors like this. So we're going to go back in with that Kat Von D concealer, and we're going to do a half cut crease here, and then we're going to just tap on our shade of the day, which is Crown, and it is this like shimmery white shade. Alright, so we're going to go in with our LA Color Fine Line Foam Tip, and we're just going to draw on a wing. Alright, so I'm just going to pop on some lashes really quickly, and we'll be back to finish off the eyes. So I'm going to take this Italiana Deluxe eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and line the waterline and lower lash line. And I'm going to take some of Duchess and take that right under that purple liner. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed Makeup Monday today, and I hope you guys are glad it's back. The eyes are really bold, really dramatic, and for my lip, I went in with the LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip in Eclipse. Really like this color. I think it is really pretty with the eyes. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on all social media, which is also linked down below. And don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.